We're at RC Power Hobbies in Springfield, Louisiana, and the race is underway. These are gas-powered, nitrous-powered, battery-powered, remote-control race cars, and they are powerful. You got all the action of a real race here on a scale about 300 times smaller. Each one of these vehicles is about 8 to 10 pounds. As you can see, there are pit crews set up. These guys are serious about their racing. Here we go.
Wow, Jenkins just ripped off a 23.8. I think that's the fastest.
They're on the straightaway, coming around the backside. Oh! They're getting ready for the jump. Look at the hang time. It's a battle for first and second.